Dear students, today I am going to teach you about transformation. Let us see what is transformation. Transformation is a process to change a sentence from one grammatical structure to another without altering its sense. तात्पर्य है कि किसी वाक्य को हम उसके स्वरूप में परिवर्तन करें लेकिन उसके अर्थ में किस तरह का बदलाव नहीं आना चाहिए. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. आई राइट ए लेटर और ए लेटर इज रिटन बाय मी. दी आर द टू information of the same thing. One is giving information with the help of the subject and the other is giving the same information with the help of the object. Now here we are going to discuss about renewal to. Now here question rises, what is to according to grammar? So here to is adverb. Who is adverb? As you know that an adverb gives something special information about the verb, subject and adjective. So here take an example. He is too weak. This is an adjective, so it will be obviously adverb. Now let us discuss about with some example. He is too fat to run fast. Here too is adverb, fat is the adjective. He is so fat that he cannot run fast. Means to always gives about the negative information. It always comes for non-desirable sense. It never comes for favorable sense. Yes, I am too weak to walk. So here are some information what we should do. So here just try to understand. I am too weak to walk. She is too shy to accept it. The result is too bad to be published and you were too weak to walk. These are a few examples. So first the change should take place here. Two must be changed now. Let us discuss about it with some example. He is too fat to run fast. So here the change should be taken, change should take place as follow. The two should be changed into show and that should be changed into that. So two should be changed to that. So the final information, he is so weak, he is so fat that he cannot run fast. Means it is giving the same information to, it always gives us negative information. For example, the result is too bad to be published. It means the result is so bad that it cannot be published. So here two should be changed first of all into show and then second to, which is the preposition of the sentence, should become that and main statement should come in negative form. I think you have better understood about the some relating topic, and here are some questions you can go ahead. First, I am too weak to walk. She is too shy to accept. The result is too bad to be published. You are too weak to walk. Here, first example, it should be done. I am so weak that I cannot walk. Second, she is too shy to accept it. She is so shy that she cannot accept it. It is also giving negative information. The result is too bad to be published. The result is so bad that it cannot be published or it should not be published. Both the same information. You are too weak to walk. In the same condition, you are so weak. You were so weak that you could not walk, because the sentence is giving us past information. Now I think you have better understood about the transformation. I will send some more tips in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot, all of you.